How much should you really spend on a jigsaw puzzle table? Because I've seen people buy cheap ones that fall apart in weeks, and others drop over $100 only to return them. The truth is, price doesn't always match quality. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real options so you don't waste your money. Product number 1, FUN Believable 6-drawer rotating board. First up is the FUN Believable rotating puzzle board with 6 storage drawers and a protective cover. Priced at just over $90, it's positioned as a premium family-friendly option, and honestly, it looks the part. If you want a spacious, organized setup that keeps your 1,500-piece puzzles safe and within reach, this is worth a serious look. The 35x 26-inch surface gives you room to spread out, and the smooth 360 degrees rotation means you can spin the board instead of craning your neck. That's huge if you're building with kids or grandparents, no more awkward leaning. The 6 drawers are perfect for sorting pieces by color or section, which seriously cuts down on search time. Plus, the clear plastic cover locks everything in place when you need to pause, great if you've got pets or curious toddlers around. Now, some people complained about the weight, nearly 16 pounds, making it less portable. Here's the thing though, that heft actually helps stability. It won't slide around on your coffee table, which matters when you're placing tiny edge pieces. This is perfect for you if you build large puzzles regularly and want serious organization. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or travel-friendly. For the price, it's solid value. Product number 2, all 4-jig hardwood spinning table. Now, if the FUN Believable model felt a bit heavy, the all 4-jig offers a similar experience with a focus on eco-friendly materials. At $97.81, it's slightly pricier, but it uses sustainable hardwood, no plastics, no harmful finishes. That matters if you're sensitive to indoor air quality or just prefer natural materials. You get 4 drawers instead of 6, but they're deep and have easy grip handles, so grabbing reds or sky pieces is quick. The translucent cover fits snugly and resists shifting, which I appreciate. One downside, the wood, while beautiful, can absorb moisture over time if you glue puzzles directly onto it. Some users also mention the edges needed light sanding out of the box. Here's the thing though, that's a one-time fix and the durability outweighs the hassle. This is perfect for you if you care about sustainability and want a long-lasting, classic wooden feel. Skip this one if you plan to glue puzzles often without transferring them first. It's a bit pricier, but the craftsmanship justifies it. Product number 3, Beyond Innovation's 1,000-piece board. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for tighter budgets or smaller spaces. The Beyond Innovations board costs just $77.21 and holds up to 1,000 pieces, so it's ideal if you usually do medium-sized puzzles. The 4 drawers are well-sized and the rotating base works flawlessly, no wobbling even with full trays. What surprised me is how lightweight it is at only 9 pounds, making it easy to move from the living room to the porch. Now, some people wished it came with a cover, but honestly, you can use a large cutting mat or even a shower curtain liner in a pinch. The real win here is value. You're getting hardwood construction, smooth rotation, and decent storage without the premium price. This is perfect for you if you're new to puzzling or don't need 1,500-piece capacity. Skip this one if you regularly tackle giant puzzles or want built-in dust protection. For under $80, it's a steal. Product number 4, FUN Believable 6-drawer model FB024. Now, if the first FUN Believable board impressed you but the price gave you pause, meet its nearly identical sibling, the FB024 model, at the same $77.21 price as the Beyond Innovations board. Wait, really? Yes. Honestly, this feels like a refreshed version of their original design. The rotation is just as smooth, the drawers slide cleanly, and the raised edges keep pieces from sliding off during spins. One minor gripe from buyers: the plastic cover can sometimes warp in heat, causing a slight lift at the corners. Here's the thing though, it still protects against dust and spills, and you can weigh it down with books if needed. This is perfect for you if you loved the first FUN Believable board but want to save $13. Skip this one only if you suspect it's an older stock item with outdated materials, but based on specs, it's essentially the same. Great alternative at a better price. Product number 5, Playboda Plastic Rotating Table. Finally, if wood isn't your thing or you're worried about spills, glue, or moisture, the Playboda Plastic Puzzle Board is a game changer. At $90.08, it's made from recyclable ABS plastic, weighs nearly 18 pounds, and features a warm white surface that reduces glare and makes colors pop. You can glue your finished puzzle right on the board, wipe it clean, and reuse it. No transferring, no mess. The rubber-like cover grips tightly and won't shift, even if your cat jumps on the table. Some users said it feels less premium than wood, and honestly, it doesn't have that classic look. But functionally, it's brilliant. This is perfect for you if you glue puzzles, have kids or pets, or want something easy to clean. Skip this one if you prefer the aesthetic of natural wood. With an 18-month warranty and multi-use design, hello, board games, it's a practical powerhouse. So which one's right for you? If you want max storage and don't mind weight, go with the Unbelievable 6-drawer. Prefer eco-friendly wood, all 4 jig delivers. On a budget, Beyond Innovations or the cheaper Unbelievable model both shine. And if you glue puzzles or hate cleaning, Playboda's plastic board is unbeatable. No matter your need, one of these will make puzzling way more enjoyable and way less frustrating.